Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do fractions, the multiple choice type questions. Let's begin the multiple choice type questions. Choose a correct answer from the options given below. In the given number line, so we have a number line given to us. In this, we have to find the value of A and the value of B. So let's look at A first. Now between 0 and 1, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So this is one part, this is a second part, this is a third part. So that's three parts. That means the first marking that you see here will be 1/3 of the three parts. This will be 2/3 of the three parts. So now we have the value of A. A is 2/3. So let's look and see where we have 2/3 in the options. So here we have 2/3. Here also we have 2/3. That means we need to find the value of B now. Okay, so now between 1 and 2, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, so there are 4 parts from between 1 and 2. That means the first part is 1/4. This is 2/4. This is 3/4. So now B is 3/4. That is the value of B here. But now when we're talking about everything right from here to here, then it will be 1 3/4. So B will be 1 3/4. And which option is that? Here it says B is 4/5, which is wrong. Here it is 1 3/4. So we have option 2. Option 2 is our correct answer, where we have A is equal to 2/3 and B is equal to 1 3/4. 1 3/4. Question 2. In 3/5, 2/5, 3/4, 2/7 and 4/5, like fractions are which of these? Now what are like fractions? Like fractions are fractions having the same denominator. So let's look and see. Here we have 5 and 7 denominators are different. Here we have 5 and 4, again denominators are different. Here we have 5 and 5. And here also we have all 5 as the denominators. But now here we have two fractions, here we have three fractions. Let's see how many there are having 5 as the denominator. 1, 2, 3. That means our answer should have three fractions with denominator 5. 3/5 is the first fraction, 2/5 is the second, and 4/5, and that is option 4. So this is our answer, option 4. Question 3. Out of these fractions, that is 15/7, 15/8, 15/11 and 15/13, the largest fraction is which one of these? Now, did you notice that the numerators are all the same? It's all 15. All four fractions have 15 as their numerator. Now, when the numerators are the same, the smallest denominator becomes the largest fraction. So the smallest denominator is 7. 7, because it's the smallest among all these, 15/7 will now become the largest fraction. So let me repeat that. When numerators are the same, the smallest denominator will make it the largest fraction. So the largest fraction is 15/7. So this is our answer, 15/7. Question 4. Out of these fractions, that is 7/15, 8/15, 11/15 and 13/15, the least fraction is, that means the smallest. So this time the denominators are all the same. When the denominators are the same, the smallest numerator will make it the smallest fraction. So the smallest numerator is 7. So 7/15 is the least fraction. So that is again option 1, 7/15. Question 5. 7/16 plus 13/16 minus 5/16 is equal to how much? Let's work that out and see. So 7/16 plus 13/16 minus 5/16. When you have addition and subtraction, the addition has to be done first. So since the denominators are all the same, you can say 7 plus 13 minus 5/16. They have the same denominator. Now let's add up. 7 plus 13 is 20. So 20 minus 5/16. 20 minus 5 is 15. And the denominator is 16. So our answer here is 15 by 16, and that is option 1. Option 1, 15 by 16 is our answer. Question 6. 31 2 by 3 minus 16 2 by 3 minus 15 2 by 3 is equal to. So now let's take down that question. 31 2 by 3 minus 16 2 by 3 minus 15 2 by 3. Okay, now here there are two ways of doing this. One way is we convert this one to improper fraction, convert this also and this to improper fractions, and then we do the subtraction. That is one way of doing it. Another way is we just take only the whole numbers and subtract first. So I'm going to take only the whole numbers, that is 31 minus 16 minus 15. So when we take the whole numbers and subtract, what do we get? 31 minus 16 is 15. Now 15 minus 15 is 0. So in the place of the whole number, you don't have to write anything because now it is 0. Now let's take only the fractions. So the fraction, the first one is 2 by 3. The second one is also 2 by 3. The third one is also 2 by 3. So subtraction of all these, that means the denominator is the same. So you don't have to find another LCM. You write the same denominator. Now let's write the numerators. 2 minus 2 minus 2. Now let's work on this. 2 minus 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Now 0 minus 2 is how much? 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 or negative 2. So this is minus 2. In the denominator we have 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is negative 2 by 3. And that is which option? Option 4. Option 4, negative 2 by 3 is our answer. Question 7. 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. Then 12 divided by 0 is equal to what? Okay, so this we know. 12 divided by 12 we know is 1. 0 divided by 12 we know is 0. Now 12 divided by 0. Now we have to remember this. When any number is divided by 0, the answer is not defined because we don't have the tables of 0, isn't it? If 0 is divided by any number, you can say the answer is 0. But any number divided by 0 cannot be defined. That means the answer is option 3, not defined. Question 8, we have this expression with different operations. Can you see? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. That means we have to apply the rules of Bodmer's. Let's take down this question. So this is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 divided, this time division, divided by 1 by 4, and then we have of 1 by 4. Now Bodmer's, according to Bodmer's, what should we do first when we have all these operations? So here what do we have? We have multiplication, division and off. Let's see where it is. So here we have multiplication, we have division, we have off. So according to this, off has to be done first. That means we have to do this part first. And what does off mean? Off means multiplication itself, isn't it? So let's work this part out. That is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So what does this mean? It means 1 by 4 into, of means into 1 by 4. Now let's multiply. 1 ones are 1 and 4 fours are 16. We multiply the numerators and the denominators. That means in the place of this expression, we must write 1 by 16. Everything else remains the same. So we can write 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 divided by, now what did we get? 1 by 16. So we finished with off. Next thing we have to do is division. Before multiplication, we should do division. So the next thing is division, and this part is division. Let's work out that division. So that is 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 16. Now how do we do this? We say 1 by 4. Division changes to multiplication, and 1 by 16 we write the reciprocal 16 by 1. Now this has become multiplication of fractions. And how do we do multiplication? We multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. But if we can cancel something, we cancel it. Here I can cancel the denominator 4 and the numerator 16. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. Now we can't cancel anything else, so we multiply the numerators and the denominators. That means 1 into 4 is 4, and in the denominator 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 by 1 is simply 4. So let's write that down here. So in the place of this, we can simply write 4 or we can write 4 by 1. So here we have 1 by 4 as it is into 4 or 4 by 1. Now here again this become multiplication. We can cancel. I can cancel 4 and 4. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. That's it. Now multiply. 1 ones are 1. Here also 1 ones are 1. So in the numerator we have 1. In the denominator we have 1. When both are the same, our answer is equal to 1. So this is our answer, and that is option 1, the first option. This is our answer. Question 9, we have a similar question, only thing of has been put here in the beginning. Now let's write this question down. So here we have 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So again, remember, when you have many operations, you have to follow the order given in BODMAS. So here, what are the things that we have? We have of, division, multiplication. Let's see that. Of, division, multiplication. So according to this, of should be done first. That means this part has to be done first. So that is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 4 of means multiplication by 1 by 4. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 1 into 1 is 1, 4 fours are 16. So we've got 1 over 16 in the place of this. So let's write that here. So 1 over 16. The rest will remain the same. So divided by 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Divided by 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Now, according to BODMAS, we should do division next. So let's do division. So that means we need to do this part, that is 1 by 16 divided by 1 by 4. So 1 by 16 divided by 1 by 4. That is 1 by 16. Division changes to multiplication. We write the reciprocal of 1 by 4, which is 4 by 1. Now this has become multiplication of fractions. We can cancel. I can cancel 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now multiply the numerators and the denominators. In the numerator, 1 ones are 1. In the denominators, 4 ones are 4. So in the place of this, we have got 1 by 4. So let's write that down. 1 by 4, and what is left? Into 1 by 4. Now there's nothing to cancel here, so we just multiply the numerators. That is 1 into 1 is 1, and we multiply the denominators. 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. So we've got our answer as 1 by 16, and that is option 3. Option 3, 1 by 16 is our answer. Question 10. If x by 3 is equal to 15, then how much is x by 5? So first let's write this down. X by 3 is equal to 15. X by 3 is equal to 15. Now first, if we find the value of x, then we can put that value of x here and find out the answer. But we don't know the value of x. Now to find the value of x, we need to keep only x here and remove this 3. Now how can we remove this 3? So here I'm going to write x by 3. Now I need to remove this 3. I can't simply remove it. So I'm going to, if I multiply by 3, if I multiply by 3, I can cancel both and 3 goes off, isn't it? Now if I multiply this side by 3, I should multiply that side also by 3. That means I can write equals 15. Here also I should multiply by 3. I hope you understood. Now here we need only x. So we have to remove the 3. To remove the 3, since it is division here, if I multiply by 3, I can cancel both, isn't it? And then I get only x. See, now I can cancel this 3 and this 3 because 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now only x is left. So I multiplied it by 3. Now if I multiply this side by 3, even the other side of the equal to sign, I should multiply by 3. So here I've got x. Now here how much is 15 into 3? 15 into 3 is 45. So this is a symbol for an equation. So x is now equal to 45. So now that we know the value of x, we can find the value of x by 5. The question is, what is x by 5 equal to? So in the place of x, now we can write the value of x. We found x to be 45. So in the place of x, we can write 45, and in the denominator we have 5. 45 divided by 5. 5 into how much is 45? 5 nines are 45. Instead 5 ones are 5. So this is 9 by 1, or it's simply equal to 9. So our answer here is x by 5 is equal to 9, and that is option 2. Option 2, 9 is our answer. We are now moving on to question 12 because question 11 has already been worked out in the textbook. You can find it on page number 82. So let's do question 12. Assertion A states that 1 by 2 of a fraction, we don't know what this fraction is, 1 by 2 of that fraction is 15, then 1/5 of the same fraction is 6. Now we need to find out whether this assertion is true or false. So let's write down that question. So here it says 1 by 2 of a fraction. We don't know what the fraction is. So let the fraction be x, and that means 1 by 2 of x is 15. This is given to us in the question. So 1 by 2 of means we know its multiplication of x is 15. Now we need to get rid of this fraction here because we want only the value of x. So how do we remove this 1 by 2? So to remove 1 by 2, we have to multiply it by the reciprocal 2 by 1. When we multiply it by the reciprocal, both get cancelled, isn't it? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So we don't have anything left there other than 1. Then we continue to write into x, and we have to remember that when we multiply the left hand side by any number, we multiply the right hand side by the same number. So we write 15 into, we multiply by 2 by 1, so into 2 by 1 or simply 2. So now we have found the value of x. X is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. Now we have found the value of x. Let's see whether this is correct. Here what does it say? 1/5 of the same fraction is 6. So we know x. So let's find out if this statement is true. So it says 1/5 of the same fraction, that is x. We said let the fraction be x. 1/5 of x, it says, is equal to 6. So let's see whether this is true or not. 1 by 5 of is into x is, we just found out to be 30. How much is that? Let's cancel and see. 5 ones are 5, 5 sixes are 30. So 1 into 6 is 6. That means this is correct. Assertion is correct. So we have found that the fraction is 30, and when we worked it out, we found out that 1/5 of 30 is 6. So assertion A is true. Now let's see what the reason states. The reason states that the fraction is 30, and we just found out that the fraction is x, and that is 30. In the beginning we said let the fraction be x, and we found out x is equal to 30, and that is what the reason also says. That means assertion is true, fraction is also true, so we can choose option 3, which says both A and R are true. So this is our answer. Question 13. Statement 1 is given to us. It tells us that x is all this, means the value of x is 1. That means we need to work this out and see whether we get 1. If we get 1, that means this statement is true. So let's write that down. So that is 1, 1 by 2 divided by 3, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 3. The first step is we convert them all into an improper fraction. So that is equal to, first one, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3 by 2 divided by, next is 2 threes are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2 into, next is 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. Now we have division and multiplication. According to Bodmer's, must do division first. That means this part has to be worked out. Since this is division of fractions, we can write it this way now. So this becomes 3 by 2. Division changes to multiplication. 7 by 2, we write the reciprocal. So that becomes 2 by 7 into 7 by 3. So what do we have here now? We have 3 by 2 into 2 by 7 into 7 by 3, which is the same as this 3 by 2 into 2 by 7 into 7 by 3. We got the same step. Now we need to see whether this is equal to 1. So here let's work out and see. We can cancel in multiplication. So here I can cancel this 3 and this 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. I can cancel the 2's. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. I can cancel the 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what do I have finally? I have only 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So we've got 1 as our answer, and statement 2 also says that 1 is the answer. That means statement 2 is also true. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true. That means the correct answer here is option 1, which says both the statements are true. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.